Bollywood stars who adopted villages. Akshay Kumar. True Indian Akshay has been one of the generous celebrity who loves to help deprived people. This golden-hearted man has already decided to adopt a village in Yavatmal district, Maharashtra. Salman Khan. Salman Khan is loved by his fans and followers because he is really big-hearted man of Bollywood. He is very popular because of his charitable works which he always do for old people and children. He owns charitable organization Being Human, adopted 200 poor and remote villages in Aurangabad district. Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan has a golden heart and his all fans love him for his big heart. Apart from charity work, Shah Rukh is always there for needy and unprivileged people. Very few people know that this richest celebrity has also adopted many villages. In 2009, he sponsored a solar power project which brought electricity to 9 villages of Odisha. He also adopted 12 villages in Bhitarkanika National Park. For this charity work, he won the UNESCO Pyramid Con Marni Award. Aamir Khan. Socially aware actor Aamir Khan is famous for his social activities and he is one of those few celebrities who adopted a village in Bhuj. He chose to help Bhuj because it was destroyed by an earthquake in 2001. He also adopted 5 villages in support of NDTV's Greenathon program and his ancestral village Akhtiarpur in UP. Priyanka Chopra. She is now a global icon who is married to a foreigner, but our Desi girl is always in love with her motherland, India. Internationally acclaimed Priyanka did many charitable work in India and for this reason she was the brand ambassador of NDTV's Greenathon program. She also supported the cause. She adopted 2 villages. She is currently the brand ambassador of UNICEF. Deepika Padukone. Deepika's charity work never came into limelight as she doesn't want any publicity stunt. This golden lady of Bollywood, Deepika Padukone, adopted Ambegaon village in support of Greenathon program. As a big-hearted person, she has also taken the responsibility of providing electricity in that village. Kareena Kapoor. Kareena also supported NDTV's Greenathon program and for this reason, Bebo adopted a village in Madhya Pradesh named Chanderi. She funded 3 lakhs to bring power to the village and this down-to-earth actress visited the village afterwards and had dinner with her family there. Shahid Kapoor. Being the part of NDTV's Greenathon program, Shahid decided to provide electricity supplies in rural areas. He adopted 3 villages in support of the Greenathon program. Nana Patekar. Social activist Nana Patekar leads a normal and simple life. He has been a great human being who has no celebrity tantrums. He adopted 4 villages in Maharashtra, Mumbai. He funded 15,000 to each village for their betterment. He also spent 35 lakhs to develop a village in Aurangabad. His mission is to provide employment and other facilities in the villages. Vivek Oberoi. Vivek Oberoi did many charitable work in Mumbai but he also adopted Devanapatnam, a village in Tamil Nadu in 2005, which was destroyed by a tsunami. After that, he adopted Muthuvakuntala village in Anantapura district in Andhra Pradesh in 2015 and promised to give all the modern facilities to all the villagers. Rahul Bose. He was the part of NDTV's Greenathon program and adopted Chikaldhara, a hill station in Maharashtra. He also spent money on solar lanterns for the villagers to give them electricity. Hema Malini. Actress turned politician Hema Malini adopted a village named Rawal, which is situated in Uttar Pradesh. She is the supporter of human development wholeheartedly and also the part of Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. The actress did many developments in the village and promised that she would also do some work for women empowerment. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.